How my YouTube friends? Just down at the porch trying to make an update. I kind of jumped around so much today. My videos kind of got jumbled up. So start off, we after the video this morning I uploaded, I went ahead and cleaned up the engine bay, painted it, done a little bit in the trunk, and I'll show you that video first. That'll be the first one. Then I'll come back with the update video talking about taping up the car and painting it with the hot rod black and all. Then after that, I'll be showing you a car I painted like 6 or 7 years ago for my nephew. It just happened to be sitting there, and later on we'll be getting it running again for him. And well, maybe not for him, probably for somebody else. He didn't really want it after doing all the work to get it going. But it'll be a short little clip of it. Just talking a little bit about it a minute. And I hate that I got everything jumbled up, but I bounced around and went and done some visiting a family today, so I had to fit that in between. And usually Sunday's family visiting day and trying to work on car day too, and it gets kind of hectic. So I kind of got screwed up a little bit on that stuff, but it's going to turn out all right. So just keep on watching, and video's still going to be jumbled up. May not make a whole lot of sense, but at least the content's there. And I'm kind of happy with the way the engine turned out. It's all right. I'm happy with it too. So we'll get to it, and I'll see you on the next one. Alrighty, we done some cleaning up this morning. Finally got on the engine bay. So it looks pretty good. Finish that valve cover up. Still got to get that manifold on this side. I got the high tilt paint for it. I just haven't painted it yet. I haven't been ready to run the engine yet. You have to run the engine after you paint it. It's done a little bit on the back too. Kind of done around the gas tank. Right there's an area I have to patch later on. It's just it's nothing structural. It's just old stuff you can see there. And I've already got those panels here. I just haven't done it yet, so my main goal is just get to where I can start driving it. Then I'll go back and make stuff better. But I'm happy with the engine bay. I think I'll just get I don't even have a breather for it. I just want it to come with it, but it's in such rough shape I can't do anything with it. So I'll just, bet I won't have to buy one. I'll probably just go ahead and get a chrome one. Unless somebody messages me or leaves a comment saying they got one they want to donate, I'll order me one in the next day or two. I've had some people ask about if I needed anything for the car, anything in particular. Yeah, you can watch the videos. If you see anything that you got that you want to donate, go ahead. I can show you one thing that I could really use. Somebody's got something that'll fill that hole right there. The radio's supposed to go in it, and I don't have a radio to put back in it. And I guess a little bit later on, after getting here and sand the dash down, get it painted, and try to figure out what color. I may just do the dash back black. I don't really know. I mean, the seats and the carpet's going to be black. So I love these seats, so they ain't going to change. So I'll have to keep on matching with the seats some. If y'all got suggestions on a good color combination for on the inside, let me know. I sure need some help with that. But yeah, if somebody's got the old radio they want to throw in there, just send it on to me. Let me get you cut back off and move on to something else. And if it's something I can show me doing the work on, I'll sure set y'all up and let you watch. Hey, my YouTube friends, back in the shop this evening. I uploaded the one this morning. Now I'm back out here this evening. Just gonna touch up a little bit on a few things. Probably gonna tape it up, get it ready to spray some of the hot rod black onto the front fender tomorrow. Probably just do the driver front fender and the cowl panel. That way, if there's something I don't like about it, or if it don't spray well or something, at least I didn't mess up too much stuff. That gun I got is pretty much a primer gun, so I'm gonna try changing tips in it and just see if I can spray some of this paint too, see what happens. Hopefully it'll be all right. But taped it up, or we'll tape it up. I'll probably just sand it tomorrow, spray it, untape it, see what it looks like. If it looks fine, I'll move on, tape up somewhere else and spray the rest of it. Probably the rest of the front cap. But see, we got it cleaned up under the hood this morning, as I showed you. But that's going to be the plan for now. I think I've got some donations coming in, so we'll see what comes in and what kind of supplies we get, and maybe that'll turn us in another direction to work on some other stuff. But right now, pretty much just getting her sprayed in hot rod black's probably going to be the go for the next few days, or till I run out of it anyway. They get you turned around, I kind of show you what I got taped up. It's almost done, but not quite. But I got the driver front fender taped off, wheel covered, ready to go, and the cowl. I'll probably put a little bit over the base of the hood tomorrow. I just don't want no overspray because it'd still be wet whenever I try to sand it off. If I like it and continue on, if I try to sand the hood off, it would be wet on that overspray edge. So I'm gonna tape it off. You can see part of the valve cover there I sprayed this morning. I'm happy with the way the engine bay turned out. It's not near as perfect as I'd want it to be, but you know, it's nice enough. Get back here and vacuum it out tomorrow. But I also showed you in a video coming up after this one, it's just a short clip of one I done for my nephew. I sprayed it for him back probably 6 or 7 years ago in this hot rod black. And the paint itself still holding up, you know, it's got mold and mildew on it where it just sit out there for like 5 or 6 years in the weather, but you'll see it here shortly, and paint's still holding up well on it, so it makes me confident, you know, to spray it again. But I appreciate everybody watching, commenting, donating. I'm happy with everything. Everything's going well. Got my doctor's appointment tomorrow, so I have an update on anything and tell me on it. They kind of going to tell me the next steps I need to take. So I'm nervous, of course. You know, don't know what those steps will be, but when I find out, I'll let y'all know too. But I guess I'll go ahead and call it an evening and get off here, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey, my YouTube friends, taking a look at the car I done a while back for my nephew. It's one I painted for him, a hot rod black. Man, it's probably 7 or 8 years ago when I painted it for him. And the old paint still looks like it did when I painted it, other than the old mold and stuff that's growing on it because it's sat here so long. But that's going to be a project coming up here before long. I'm going to try to get it back running for him and get it back in decent shape. I had it running and driving for him, and he lost interest in it and just let it sit. know how kids are. He was thinking it was going to be some kind of big fast hot rod when we got it going. It's got the factory 283 in it with 2-speed. I reckon it just wasn't as fast as he was thinking, and just lost interest and let it sit. You know, we just have to have the normal stuff from one set in a while to get it back running. Probably fresh fuel, the tank cleaned out, and new points in it, and a few other things. Carburetor probably cleaned out or rebuilt. And I'm glad to see that the paint held up. It's the same that I was using, the SEM we're fixing to use. And it hasn't been took care of. It's just been sitting out here in the weather here for, it's been sitting in this spot probably for the last 6 years or more. I don't even remember how to open the hood on it. It may be on the inside. They got it locked. I just wanted to give y'all a look at one of the future projects that I'll be working on here for long. I like any kind of old car. I've just been using it for storage, it looks like.